Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Ahmad Ahmad.
My name is Tengku Afnan bin Adlin.
And today we are going to present a SPEEDCUBE. The SPEEDCUBE name is Moyo RS2 M2021 MAGLEV. It is a 2x2 SPEEDCUBE with moderate magnet. It is 56mm in size and weight 91 grams. It was released on 7 September 2021. You can get this cube on any website for just 65 ringgits or less. It comes with spring compression tool, a screwdriver, a display stand, and a spare compression tool.
So, the key feature is it has the magnet levitation, MAGLEV system, and it has no springs. And then the spring compression system can change it to the 9 different settings, and it has frost accelerator for improvement.
Let us expand into MAGLEV feature. MAGLEV feature is a magnetic repulsion technology. The core springs are replaced with two repelling magnets on each side. And with that, it causes a faster turning field and the layer glide more easily.
Then let's move to the side features. It has the corner square to avoid the collapsing and the corner to edge magnets to increase stability. And then the cons is it has no adjustable corner to each magnet and no corner to magnet, and it scans corner cut on 45 degrees. So should you buy it?
Well, if you want to start cubing and want to be a SPEEDCUBE, then you should buy it. With 65 ringgits, the price is very reasonable for all of this feature. And that's all from us. I hope you have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.